My goodness. The caterpillar is so tired.
Are you tired?
Hi.
Hello and welcome to Trending Pinoy Celebrity. Latest sa ating channel. Colleen Garcia at anak nila ni Billy Crawford na si Amari, ibinahagi ang kanilang Sunday bonding sa social media. Makikita sa Instagram story ni Colleen na nasa bahay lang sila ng kanyang anak, at sinusulit ang araw na magkasama, habang wala siyang trabaho. Nakakatuwa rin si Amari dahil sa bago nitong expression, na ikinatawa ng kanyang nanay.
My goodness. Oh, my goodness. The caterpillar is so tired.
Are you tired?
Hi.
You're tired? You're a baby. You don't get tired.
Uh-oh. Did you mistake?
It's a mistake.
Uh-oh, this is a mistake.